Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D round Teapoy design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, length type decimal, precision 0, insertion scale millimeter. Okay, go workspace switch, stick 3D modeling. Okay, now go view control, select SW isometric, go line L, enter, first point, auto on 150, enter, exit, set enter, A enter, zoom all, more M enter, select object. Okay, now go line L, enter, auto on 500, enter, repeat line 180, enter. Okay, line 20 millimeter, enter, exit, repeat line 50 millimeter, enter, repeat line 200 millimeter, enter. Okay, delete this line. Okay, now go view control, select front, go coordinates, select view. Okay, go coordinates, click here, show your icon. Okay, now go arc, A, enter, 3-point arc, click here, click here, click here. Okay, repeat arc, click here, click here. Okay, repeat arc, click here, click here, click here. Okay, select arcs, okay, it's okay. Repeat line L, enter, click, click, click. Okay, delete this line, select this line, delete, trim, delete. Okay, enter, go view control, select SW isometric, select vertical coordinate. Okay, line L, enter, first point, auto on 250, enter, more M, enter, select object, center point, click here, repeat line, first point, length 150, enter, more M, enter, select object, base point, click here. Okay, joint J, enter, select arc, select, enter. Okay, now go coordinates, select front, rectangle, enter, dimension D, enter, 25, enter, 25. Okay, click here, copy, CO, enter, select object, base point. Okay, now go modeling, sweep, select object, enter, select base point, select, click here, select paths. Okay, repeat sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, select path. Okay, Again go sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, okay, select path, repeat sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, select path, repeat sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, select path, okay, select line, delete. Now go coordinates, select use world, okay. Now go circle, C, enter, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 point, click here, okay, radius 30 millimeter, enter, extrude, select circle, enter, extrude height 3 millimeter, enter, okay, circle, C, enter, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 point, click here, okay, radius 75 millimeter, enter, okay, extrude, select circle, enter, 3 millimeter height, enter, okay. Now go union, select object, select, enter, okay, it's okay. Again go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 225, enter, extrude, select circle, enter, extrude height 15 millimeter, enter, okay, repeat circle, C, enter, center point, radius 125, enter, okay, extrude, select circle, enter, extrude height 15 millimeter, okay, let's see, okay, no issue. Go solid, fillet edge, radius 5 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter, repeat fillet edge, radius 5 millimeter, enter, select edge, okay, enter, okay. Now go view control, stable isometric, visual style control, shaded, okay, let's see, it's okay. View control, stable isometric, view control, SC isometric, okay. Now go material browser, global, right click, duplicate, edit, click image, Sunmica, open, click here, sample size 500, enter, okay, close. Now go to AutoCAD library, select metal, select iron black, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select stone, select fine polished white, drag and drop here, okay, select object, iron black, right click, assign to selection, select object, global 1, right click, assign to selection, select object, global 1, right click, assign to selection, okay, Now go visual style control, realistic. Okay, exit from material browser, go view control, select top, go visual style control, 2D wireframe, plane surface. Okay, go view control, select front. Okay, more element, select object, more distance 12.5 millimeter, enter. Okay, delete this line. Okay, no issue. View control, SW isometric, material browser, select plane surface, select fine polished, assign to selection, fine polish, edit, click here, sample size 450, enter, select polished. Okay, close, exit from material browser. Okay, visual style control, realistic. It's okay. Again go material browser, global one, edit, tint tick, click here, select brown, click here, select. Okay, it's okay, close. Okay, now exit from material browser. Okay, right click, select perspective, zoom, set enter, select zoom window. Okay, okay, now go visualize, render environment, turn on, use custom background, tick background, click, type solid, click here. Okay, close, render size, select full HD TV. Now render. Okay, it's okay, nice view. It's okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.